Watch on me. Never mind.
Welcome back to another someone don't well, I guess. Go. Game over. Oh, finally!
Where's the guy? Yo, I'm down. Someone raise me. Raise me, okay? I'll raise you. I'm part of the British Army. I am. Stop lying. He's part of the border. You're not one of us. Raise me. Raise me. Raise me. Oh, okay. Raise me. I'm reporting you, and you've raised me 4 times already. Raise me. Raise me.
Don't you see I'm talking British? So British.
We're faking.
I'm British. Can you
Mate,
please
you're
raise
faking,
me?
innit?
Mate, can you please raise me?
Raise me.
Whoa!
Nah.
Oh, what?
Yo, Rose me above you. Hey, above you.
Man.
Rose me.
I'll go to Yosemite.
Raise me. Raise me.
Wow.
It's this way, yeah, it's this way. It's this way.
I'm British.
Raise me. This way.
Raise me. Raise me.
Raise me.
Whoa!
Raise me.
You wanna die?
Raise
I'm British. Raise
I
me.
want to die.
Raise me.
Raise me.
I'm British, not you.
Yeah, I am, mate.
Not you.
Who do you think you're talking?
You're not, mate. You're not British.
I need a bottle of water.
Speaking to your nan. Roseby, I'm above you.
Whoa!
Raise me. Roseby.
He's trying to help us.
Raise
Get out.
me.
Ah!
Raise me.
No, it wasn't. I'm so British. Everybody hit him
Yes.
off.
Right, now raise me.
British.
He's being so mean.
Yes. Let's go. You're a real G. You're a real G. Oh. Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh my god. I'm surprised it actually okay. I'm gonna do this now. I'm going first.
So British. Can you please raise me?
No. I didn't know what that does. Yo, guy, the British guy, wait there.
Yeah. He's trying to help.
Not you.
I'm
Fake
British.
British Santa.
Okay. I have to help.
No. Please go back.
Hello. Can you please raise me?
Hello.
Can you please raise me? Can you please raise me? Can you please
Do this.
Can you please raise me? Why would you leave? Whoa, what did I do?
Why am I better without...
But what did I do? I didn't do anything. You were the one that did something. You agreed. What did I do? You agreed. You agreed to me for no reason. You left me. Well, and that was very... You were gonna hit me off. For no... Because I didn't do anything.
Why are you hitting him?
Why you gotta
I
go
need
on?
help. He headed me. He tried to head me
Oh
off.
my god, we both have 2-year-olds. Can I join your baby clan?
Yeah, sure. Why?
I'm in baby clan.
Why would he?
Okay,
Why would he head me off for no reason?
I'm
I
sorry.
didn't do
Okay,
anything.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Baby clan.
Truce.
Choose.
But yeah,
How
baby
do you
clan is
spell
actually.
it? OT, what the?
I did it.
Yo, can I join your baby clan?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't join you. Baby clan.
Yo, this is ever the highest that I ever been.
I'm gonna beat this only up with these hands, bro.
These hands.
Oh no, I pushed it. I'm taking it back.
These hands are going at your face. Baby clan. Yo, can I join your baby clan?
Only you need to sound like a baby first.
I'm a baby. Can I join your baby clan?
Sure.
Yeah.
Bro, Akina, I didn't expect so. Bro.
Okay, you got it, baby, got it.
Bro!
Baby clan.
You were in my way. Not my fault.
God.
Oh shit! You rat!
Oh. No.
Come on, let's go to my place.
Karma came back. Chill. What do I do? Now what do I do? Please.
Look how cool this looks, though. Look how cool this.
Jimmy.
Oh my god, it's a kid friendly.
Nobody. That's the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and goodbye.